y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So if you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing before you leave. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, I'll be planning for the week of October 26th through November 1st. And I have already pulled my stickers. So I'm gonna be doing a rain theme with blues and yellows for the most part. I've been wanting to do a rain theme for my spread for a while. I've mentioned it in my last few videos. So I pulled from the fall sticker book from 2019, the fall sticker book from 2020, and the spring sticker book as well, because, you know, it rains a lot in the springtime as well. And it's been like super, like kind of gloomy here. Well, it was yesterday here in South Carolina. So I'm gonna go with my rain theme. So, all right, let's see what we got going on. I'm gonna start by putting this big sticker that says, if it's raining, I'm not coming, because I want that to be kind of a big deal on here, so. Ooh. Yeah. I want to put this fall bike on here. Super cute. You can kind of see that through it, so I'll put some white out underneath. I'll use this to-do sticker. The sticker says, let's get cozy. Let's put that here. Put this candle right next to it as well. Oh, we need some functional stuff over here. Oh, I like that. I'm gonna go in my rainbow sticker book and see if we have some more yellow in here. Let me see. I do have the rainbow sticker book as well, if I can find it. Bam! Because I know they got a yellow section in here. Yeah. Let's see here. If I want to use anything. I could use to do somewhere. It might not even rain this weekend. It doesn't look like it is, but I'm still gonna put this on here. Well, I'm gonna layer the rainy weather sticker on there. Y'all can see it better. Okay, let's see if I can find some more functional boxes that fits into my color scheme. I mean, that works. Kinda, right? It does a bit. Oh no, let me see if I like something else more first. Let's break up some of this. Let's put some more functional boxes on here. So I definitely used the eyebrow razor to cut that part and worked just fine. So use what you have. Okay, so it's a pop of orange here. I can add little fall decor here and there, but I didn't want OD fall, so I just put it, I'm just gonna put some stuff here and there. Alright guys, so here is my spread for the week of October 26th through November 1st. I think it turned out really cool. It's definitely a color scheme I don't really use, but I think it looks very nice. So I had the general theme of the rain, but then I popped in some fall pieces in a very subtle way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Be sure to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Instagram at HeartsAndAPlan. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.